Here are solutions to homework set number 12 for ECE 476. This homework set looks at using a Wi-Fi interface to connect your Pi Pico and play a roulette game. So for example here, I can bet on number 5. I'll bet $6. It then spins the wheel. So there's the number I bet on, number 5. And winning number was 3. You can see that winning number is 3. I bet on 6. So let's bet $9 on number 12. So bet $9 on number 12. The winning number is 1. So bet on number 12. Winning number is 1. I'm down to $84. Let's bet $3 on number 6. Bet on number 6. The winning number is number 10. The way that works is set up a set up a Wi-Fi interface. This is using the Bluetooth code from previous homework set, so there's a Bluetooth setup that I'm not using. Set up the web page. The web page itself just displays the bank balance, the winning number, how much you bet, and then 2 number tags. I can input a number for the bet amount and the numbers. It then receives that data, pulls out the 2 messages, parses them, and displays them right here. So you can see that, let's put this over so you can see it. Fighting with Windows here. As I say, let's bet $8 on Lucky 13. You receive the 2 number tags. First one was 8, second one was 13. Pulls those out. And the first one is the bet, the number. If a bit more than $0, flag is set. If the flag is set, it then spins the wheel. After so many rotations, determines whether you won or lost. Updates the LCD display, update the web page, and I've got a roulette wheel using a Wi-Fi interface.